Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming to you guys for another video. And in today's video, we got to start 2023 off right, people. How can you start 2023 off right? The budget. I know. You're like, bruh, I do need the budget. But man, every time I sit down and not budget, I just go over. You know, sometimes I be budgeting it, man. I don't even make enough money really to be budgeting. Cap. It's the best time to set a budget. Start the year off right. You know, I do it every year. I don't know. I just whip out my book here. You just look in this book. I just be writing on all them pages. You know, writing out bills. I just people. Budgets. They work. You need them. They help. I'm here to give you guys some of the ways that I save the monies. I know what you're thinking. Somebody say he saves the money. I be saving the money. Now, I'm going to show you guys some of the key ways that I use to save money. You can research it yourself. Like fact check your boy, because you should always do that. And look into some of these options. Hopefully they can help you save some actual money, people. Let's get into today's video. So if you're new to the channel, it's your boy X here. I know I talk to you guys about personal finance, share with you guys my journey to a millionaire status, show you my do's, show you my don'ts, tell you how life beat me up, and then I just come back and clap it. But I'm talking about budget. Talking about how and what you can do to budget. Everybody pretty much get the gist of budgeting, right? It's not that simple. You got your income, you got your expenses, and then you got your, what's left over, and you do your thing, right? I get it. But what I wanted you to do, I want to show you how a real one budget. Let me break it down to you right here. In order to budget, you must cut costs.
Oh, okay.
That's just facts. Facts. I ain't make the rules, people. We all follow them, but that's how it goes. And when it comes to budgeting, the number one thing that literally destroys people is what? I see you thinking. You like, what could it be? It's food. Yes. Food literally destroys all budgets. Food and just those off random catastrophic life moments, right? Flat tires, something blowing up, cracked phone screens, stuff like that, but mainly food. So I know a lot of people love to eat. It's a luxury. It's a luxury that people love to indulge in. If you can learn a way to cut your food costs, you can pretty much save a lot more money. And if you save more money, that's just one step closer to you being able to invest more, pay off things more, have a better life, et cetera, et cetera. And to me, food is food, people. I'm not gonna lie to you. You could probably give me a list of restaurants and I haven't eaten at over half of them. I'm not a big food connoisseur of that caliber. I eat the same things. I'm a real anime character. I'm not gonna cap with you. Same fit, always got the sweats on, random graphic tee. My infamous Scully will never let this thing die, ever. But I'm simple. And if you can learn how to eat foods that hold your stomach better, you'll actually consume less, thus saving you money, putting it out there, right? But food is one of the biggest expenses you can possibly have. And with inflation having a very key point and just raising the prices of everything, it's not really helping the budgets. But there are other things you can do to help minimize. Because if you can't cut your food budget anymore, maybe you can cut something else, right? Let's talk about that. One way that you can kind of supplement your budget, if you already cut your food as much as you can, a way that you can cut another bill that can help will be your phone bill. Now I know what you're thinking, but my phone bill is just a phone bill. You can't get no cheaper. That, my friend, is wrong. Now, I am not a paid sponsor for this because I have never had a sponsor. I'm not that big of a YouTuber or influencer or whatever. I'm just not that guy. But what I am is a person who will tell you the truth. I used to have Sprint once upon a time, Cricket, Boost Mobile, AT&T. I had all these companies before, and they charge so much money. So much money. So much money. And believe it or not, if you are a fan of Ryan Reynolds, if you're not, hey, guess what? You may become a fan of Ryan Reynolds. Why? Look up Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is a phone plan service like no other. Again, I am not sponsored by any means. I wish. Ryan Reynolds, help a broke brother out. But I can be a strong advocate for Mint Mobile because I personally have had Mint Mobile for over a year now. Probably a year and a half now, really. So, but no, 2 years really. Yeah, 2 years I've been with Mint Mobile. But that's neither here nor there. Crazy. We talking about Mint Mobile and why I think it's such an amazing phone company, and maybe you can look into it. Maybe you can make the switch if it works for you, but it's amazing. How much do you pay for your phone bill? Do you have the number in your head? That's crazy. Whatever your number is, I'm telling you the truth, that's crazy. Even if you're on prepaid and you're only paying $50 a month, that's literally crazy. What if I told you Mint Mobile gives you can pay a yearly subscription at Mint Mobile for $300 and like some dollars. It's less than $400. I don't know. Matter of fact, watch this. Alakazam. Alakaboo. But no, seriously. It's like $360 for a whole year's phone plan. Now, I'm not kidding. Look it up for yourself. It's Mint Mobile. It got the little green little fox thing with the Ryan Reynolds signature glasses. $360 yearly for a phone bill. And pretty much it used, so like T-Mobile coverage. I see T at the top of my thing. I'm most likely it's going to be T-Mobile coverage. Like I said, I'm not saying this for everywhere, but Mint Mobile is everywhere, of course. But I don't know what like deals he have going on with like what areas he using what with. But where I'm at is T-Mobile. But I'm paying $360 for a year's phone plan. If you pay $500, or I said $5, if you pay $50 for a phone plan, you're paying over $500 a year. Crazy. By switching to Mint Mobile, you're saving $200 easily. People, it's so simple. It's just a phone. All you're going to do is call people. If you got bad coverage, all it's going to do is what? Hang up. And guess what you can do? Call back. It's crazy. You don't need to like show loyalty to T-Mobile and Verizon Wireless and all these companies, bro. We looking for cheap and efficient. Why? Because inflation is real, people. We ain't got time to be paying these high cell phone bills. I know somebody that literally paying like a $200-$300 cell phone bill. I know people paying $100 cell phone bill, like every single month, $100, $200, $300. I'm just like, bro, what does your phone do that mine doesn't? Because if it doesn't like come with a butler named Sebastian.
No, sir. You're too kind. I am simply one hell of a butler.
No, and he's a fucking demon or something. If it doesn't come with that, you doing too much. Look up Mint Mobile. I use it. It's great. It don't drop calls. It's not raggedy. It's a very solid company. Ryan Reynolds is really for the people. Ryan, again, help a broke brother out. But check out Mint Mobile. Simple, cheap, and it can save you money. But again, if you're only paying prepaid $50, talking $600 a month, which means you're saving money. If you're paying over $100 a month in a phone bill, you're talking $1,200 a month. $1,200 a month, or what? $1,200 a year in a phone bill. That can help you supplement that food, which will again help you save more money. Please consider. Please. Again, Mint Mobile. Another thing you can do to help save you money, hands down, keep shopping for insurances. Do not settle for insurance. Don't just let them auto renew your plan. Every time it goes, at least check and see if you can get a cheaper monthly bill on insurance, because insurance is mad high. These insurance companies are doing the most of us, people. We cannot keep affording to pay these people and just not even attempt to see if another company will give you a cheaper thing. Try. It's the least you can do. Probably take 30 minutes out of your day. Try. I look a lot, unfortunately. The only people who mess with me is Geico and Progressive. Everybody else hate me. Like when I say hate me, they immediately jack my bill up $200. So State Farm and Allstate, why the hate? Really? Y'all will never have me other customers at these prices. So if you like me, you know these companies really don't mess with you. Hey, that is tough. But as long as you don't have like a Tesla, everybody just charges you a lot for Tesla. Everything's more expensive with Tesla, except gas. That's crazy. But again, look for the cheaper insurances. See if you can get a lower statement, lower bill, do your thing. Always at least look insurances to hire people. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, I tried this thing called Auto. I saw it on Instagram. Bro, I tried that. This stupid sticker, but that didn't save nothing, bro. That thing is capped. Take that and just throw it out. That's the most BS ad I've seen in so long. That thing. Oh, try Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual hate me too, cuz. So, like I said, see if they will mess with you. But pretty much Tesla just naturally have high insurances, so I can't do nothing about that. But if you don't have a Tesla, shop around. And my last way, people, to help you save money. So many of you people are out here just running up these credit cards, people. I feel y'all pain. But there are ways to do this in a better light, because Affirm and all these other access things are charging y'all so much interest. I know it's like, oh, it's just an extra $5. It's just an extra $10, bro. That can feed you for a day. I'm just saying, that's a lot. When it comes to these credit cards, if you have the means, you should always work to fix on your credit score. If you have a good credit score, and let's say you like electronics, right? Looking to getting the Best Buy credit card or the Amazon credit card. Why? You can use both of these credit cards have payment plans where there's 0% interest if you can pay it off within the time frame. Amazon is like 6 months. So if you shop on Amazon a lot, look into getting the Amazon credit card instead of just running up on your Amex or the Double City card or whatever, Apple card, whatever card you get. If you're buying certain things, right? If it's not like your daily credit card you use for everything like gas, food, whatever. When it comes to like buying stuff for yourself, electronics, stuff off, just shopping, look into cards with said companies that offer 0% interest. It will help you save money. If you're going to buy it, at least get a perk for it, right? I know me personally, I have a Best Buy card. Washing machines and stuff like that. When I buy it, let's just say I don't have the means to, just break down. Right, like my dryer just went out like 2 months ago. We had to buy another one, but it happened like the middle of the week, and I didn't feel like moving around money to I don't ever put money in the actual bank account. No, I'm just trash like that. I have to transfer it over like Ally or something. But you can use your Best Buy credit card. Like myself, I use the Best Buy credit card. It gives you 24%. I said 24%. 24 months, 0% interest, and they also have a 12-month 0% interest. Where you just make that over a year to 2 years, 0% interest. As long as you pay it off, you won't get hit with any interest. Me, I just need it for a couple of days, like Friday, so I can get the money moving around. But it helps. Why? We need to watch close, right? Say you want to get a TV or a game console, build you a rig, computer rig. Best Buy credit card, again, 0% interest for 12 to 24 months. You can purchase this thing, pay over time like you're going to do a firm and all these things anyway, except you won't get charged the interest as long as you can pay it off within a year to 2 years. And if you do it with Amazon, 6 months. 6 months special financing, 0% interest, which means you're not getting hit with interest every time you make a payment. And I'm not an advocate or just telling you, hey, run it up on them credit cards. But again, I know we are people, we live lives, things happen, and sometimes you have no choice. And in those situations, if you can avoid it by literally just getting a card with 0% interest, do it. Have your regular spending card. Like me, I got my everyday spending card. It's Amex, right? When I go buy stuff on Amazon, 0% interest. Best Buy, 0% interest. Home Depot hate me. They hate me. They literally just suck my money out of me. Home Depot, please. I'm broke. But look into things like that to really help you save your money. The 0% interest credit cards, Mint Mobile, and always shop around for auto insurance. These things alone can help you save so much money if you just do them. Throughout the year, if you work to try to do these 3 things, trust me, you will save money. And what you do with that money depends on you. because I'm not a financial advisor. But if I was to tell you to do anything, it would be to max out their Roth. If it ain't to max out their Roth, again, we paying down debt. 2023 is going to be another wacky, crazy year for the stock market. So if you have outstanding debt, I advise you to try your best to pay it down. But then again, I'm just a random guy on YouTube asking you to subscribe. So do that for me. Follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoy your day. It's your boy X here, and I'm out.